students, I hope you are all well that side. Good morning, welcome to Push English. Today I am going to take up 10th capsule and the topic is vocabulary, one of the most important effective tool to improve your English. In this video I am going to take up the definition, then I'll discuss about several mobile apps which you can download which will help you out to improve your vocabulary, and then one iconic book, and then some tips and techniques, some tricks, some strategies to improve upon vocabulary. Now, what is vocabulary? This vocabulary is word power. And what is word? Word is the basic building block of a language. It means if you really want to add up to your vocabulary, you need to increase your word power. And this word power, this good vocabulary is going to make your not only reading, speaking, writing, it is going to make it effective and powerful, because this is an indispensable tool. This is the most effective tool to improve your English. Then comes this vocabulary. When you learn it, it's a lifetime achievement. It's a life skill. This is not only going to help you in exams, my dear children, but it is also going to help you in your personal and professional fronts. At your workplaces, in your professional colleges, in your personal lives, you go anywhere, name any and tell me without good vocabulary, where are you going to prove your point? You will be able to prove your mettle only and only if you have a good vocabulary. So let me tell you first about some mobile apps which you can download in your smartphone, which is going to help you out to increase vocabulary. First one is Power Vocab app, then is Magoosh Vocab Builder, then there is a Word a Day widget, and then Words with Friends, Word to Word, 7 Little Words, Penny Dell Crossword. So these are several very important mobile apps which are going to help you out to increase your vocabulary. Then I will talk about a very famous book written by Norman Lewis. This is called iconic book because the name of the book is Word Power Made Easy. It's like a thesaurus only, but starting from very simple to concrete, from very easier one to the tougher ones, and it becomes very easy for children to pick up several words from this and do it. So let us now discuss about several tips and techniques. Children, while I was discussing capsule number 1, reading, I asked you to make a diary. Same point I will repeat here. For increasing vocabulary, even you need to make a diary. Please make a diary, and that diary is going to fill at the end of the 365th day. And again next year you make one more diary. But what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to write down either 5 or 10 words per day. And you are just not writing it. You will write down this word, write down its meaning and a sentence of its usage. And then you are going to use these words. The written words need to be used somewhere, either in a conversation, or when you are doing your assignment task, or when you are writing an email to your friend, to your boss, anywhere. Please use that word, and that gets recorded in your brain forever. Then for this you have to read. This third and fourth point are interrelated. You have to read every day. Not only read every day, please go on diversifying your reading list. Every day, day in and day out, you are reading the same book. अगर एक ही जैसी book पढ़ते रहोगे तो उतना मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा. It will not be a fun activity. But if you really want to make it more interesting and fun loving, then you have to read every day, and you have to diversify that reading list. It means sometimes pick up some Shakespeare, some literature, some science book, some natural science book, some philosophy books, his book on history, some GK book. So there are diversified materials available. Please do that. Then comes learn root. Now what do you mean by roots? Roots here refers to the word. Whichever particular word you are picking up, please get to know about the root, from where it has originated. Either it must have originated from a Greek language or a Latin language. From wherever it is originating, you will come to know what prefix and suffix can be added to nominalize it. So further you will be able to understand how to use that particular word in different contexts. So that is going to help you out. Then comes thesaurus. You have to use thesaurus. Now this thesaurus is actually a book wherein you will find for one word you will find number of synonyms and antonyms, and this is quite helpful. So make this thesaurus handy, make it a habit of using it, or download some dictionary in your phone, which is going to help you out. Whenever you are stuck somewhere, just go to that word, select that word and go to web search, you will find out the meaning. Then comes avoid empty words. Empty words means Whenever you are speaking, whenever you are reading, whenever you are writing, please avoid these empty words. This weaken your vocabulary. Then comes solve. The best way out to improve and to retain the learnt words is solve word puzzle, word board games and Scrabble. You must have seen crossword puzzle and word puzzle and word board games. You are pick up some newspaper and play, solve them. So you will see that every day you are learning a word, and then this is going to help you out a lot in learning or improving your vocabulary. So this was all, children. Before ending, let me just tell you hurriedly about two very famous techniques how you can improve your vocabulary. Two concepts you can say. The first one is VAP and the second one is COMS. This VAP stands for, V stands for visualization, A stands for association, and P stands for pleasure. So whenever you pick up some word, please visualize it, associate it with some situation, and then for pleasure. So when you are going to do this, when you are going to apply this VAP, you will surely remember that word. Then COMS means, CO stands for comic, M stands for movie, B stands for bright, and S stands for strange. So anything which is bright, colorful, animated is going to help you out. Second way out is you have to learn that word with animated cartoons and mnemonics. Mnemonics are various symbols made for various vocabularies. Okay, so you can make that and use it in some strange situation which you can remember. So this way out you are going to help. It's going to help you out, and I'm sure your vocabulary is going to improve. So all the best, children. Do write down in comment box whether you are getting benefited or not. And bye bye. Wait for my next capsule. Bye. Yeah.